So now let's move to the next section, which is lead management. So now you have a nice talking video created and now you're getting traffic. This lead management section will help you to maximize the traffic. Using lead management section, you can generate a link which will capture the lead and it will send that to your autoresponder, or else you can add an SMTP here and create an automation and system will start triggering the emails. So for the emails you have all these swipes as well, so you can just apply and we will approve it. You can use the swipe and set up an automation. Now I will show you how this entire thing works. So now to start with, you need to create a list. So just go to list, view list. Here you need to click on add list. I'll just add as test list 1. Click on submit. Now my list is created. Here you can see test list 1. Okay, 0 means it has 0 leads now. So the first step is creating list, which is done, and the second step is creating an automation. If you want, you can create an automation here, or else you can create automation sequence in your own autoresponder. Those who don't have autoresponder, this is specifically meant for them, but you need to have an SMTP, that is mandatory. So if you have an SMTP, you can use this automation. Now I will show you how to create automation. So to do that, just go to automation, click on create automation. Here give a name, and now in the second step you need to add email. So I'll just select this as immediately. So as soon as lead comes into the list, this email will be triggered, that is email test. Here test. You can also like save your own templates. You can add the template using this email templates page. Here it is, just below the create campaign URL. And now here I'll be saving this and I'll click on add button again. So I will select day 1. So the email will go exactly after 24 hours. And now I'll click on button again. I'll click on day 2. Now the email will go exactly after 48 hours from the first email and 24 hours from the second email. So to set the email, just click on design email, just enter your data here, test, click on save and then click on continue, submit. That's it. So now we have created an automation. Now if you have autoresponder setup, please enter all the data here. We support over 10 different autoresponders. So you just need to enter the API details here. Once you enter, system will automatically connect and get a list of all the lists that you have. So you can use that during creation of your own campaign. Now to use automation, you need to add SMTP. You can do that here using this SMTP setting option. Just click on add new profile, enter all the details here. You will get all this detail from your web hosting provider and then click on save. That's it. So this is how you can add SMTP profiles. Now let's move and see how you can generate a link. Here go to create campaign URL, click on add new. Here enter the campaign name. I'll just enter a test 1, test 1, 2, 3. Now this is a very important part. So once you capture the lead, this is where your leads will go. Basically this should be your affiliate offer page or your landing page. For example, I'll just enter as https prowebventures.com. So once the lead is captured, he will be redirected to this URL. And then select social type. I'll just select Amazon. I'll click on continue. Now here you need to select a list. So I'll be selecting test list 1. All the leads that are clicking on the link and like the ones which are captured will be saved into this list. And if you have SMTP profile, you can enable automation. Here you can select the automation. I'll just select test 1, and if you have SMTP profile, you need to select it here. If you don't have, and if you just want to use external autoresponder, then just enable this and select the autoresponder. and if you have configured, the list will come here. You just need to select it here, then that's it. So right now I'll disable both of them. I'll just want my lead to be saved in this list, so I'll disable both of them and then I'll click on continue. Now this is the link. This is the link which you should use in your description wherever you are posting. So anyone who clicks on this link will be taken to Amazon login. As soon as they log in, he will be redirected to ProWebVentures.com, which we have configured here. So this is all about creating a link that captures the lead, and this is all about lead management. And yes, you can see the analytics of the links here in the visited users, and in the analytics here you can see complete overview of all the leads, and the rest of the links are the OTOs. If you have purchased, just click on it and you will get access to it. So this is all about Viral Faces AI, and if you have any doubt, please feel free to contact me or drop a mail to our support, which is support@ProWebVentures.com, or you can also create a ticket. Thank you so much. Bye bye.